Go look up the plumber in your town, or the barber, or that restaurant everyone loves. Half of them have no website, or they have a bad one. Those are paying customers sitting right there, and they've been sitting there for years because hiring a web designer costs thousands. Today I'll show you how to build them a real website in minutes and turn that into an actual business. Let's go. When people think about building a website, they often assume they need to know how to code and that they have to use complex traditional website builders like WordPress or Wix. And these tools, they work well, but they take a lot of time and effort to learn upfront. A beginner has no idea where to even start. There are also some AI website builders on the market now, but they either only let you build a simple landing page that isn't really usable, or they charge you expensive extra hosting fees. And these tools only give you a website when it comes to the real business questions of how to deliver it to a client, how to manage clients, and so on. They leave you to figure it out on your own. Honestly, a good number of people who want to start a web design business don't get stuck on building the website itself. They get stuck on delivery and client management, the parts you tend to overlook at first, but that end up truly blocking your business growth. There's now a platform that isn't just a tool for generating a modern, fully featured website with a built-in back-end management system. It also brings together all those easy to overlook but genuinely painful steps involved in actually selling websites and delivering projects to clients. And it's all in one platform. That platform is Readdy, and I really love it. Specifically, with Readdy, you can build a complete website from a single, simple prompt. You can edit it very easily. You can chat with the AI or click directly on the element you want to change. You can add features like forms, bookings, payments without building your own backend. You can generate multi-language versions of the site if your client needs a French, English, or other language versions. You can publish the website with one click only, and most importantly, you can manage everything around the website: clients, delivery, payments, and more. What's actually hard is everything around the website: finding clients, customizing the project to their needs, delivering a polished result, and following up on revisions afterward. I really love Readdy, so I reached out to them proactively hoping to partner on this video. And not only did they agree to sponsor this video, they specifically prepared some exclusive perks for everyone. By the way, before we start, I know some people probably assume an AI tool like this must be expensive, but that's far from the truth. For example, using Readdy costs only about $15 a month, and even less with a discount. We'll go into more detail on this at the end of the video, but you'll find that for such a powerful tool, the price is very accessible. Trust me, by the end, you'll see this tool is absolutely worth your time. Besides Readdy, I'll be using Claude to help us find clients. The core purpose of this video is to show everyone how to combine Claude and Readdy to build a complete workflow, from finding potential clients all the way to using your own platform to deliver a professional website. Honestly, I think these two tools complement each other perfectly, and that's exactly what we're about to see together. So let's get started. Before starting to build the website, I suggest first finding your target clients. So here's the play. You can either use Google Maps like this, or you can use Claude to retrieve all the barbershops, for example, in a certain area with no website or some weak sites. And all you gotta do now is to email them, showing them the site you already made for them. Just think about that from the barber's side. He doesn't get another spam email saying, "I can build you a website." He gets an email with his own barbershop's website already sitting there. It's live, that he can click and look at. That's a completely different conversation. Just show, don't pitch. And now we can create the website. I suggest using Claude to help you with the prompt. The better the prompt, the better the end result will be. You can copy mine, but if you explain everything properly to Claude, it'll do it on its own. All we gotta do now is to copy the entire prompt. You can see how detailed it is. Paste it here into Readdy and just click this button here. A few minutes later, and just look at that. This is a polished, professional site. And I'll be honest with you, the design is genuinely good. This is not a template I picked. This one came from one sentence, and Claude made the prompt. Now, here's the part that impressed me, honestly. Just have a look at the mobile version here. Now, that's not the desktop site squished down. It's actually designed for a phone, which matters because most of local business customers are on their phone, and that alone beats what half the barbershops in your town currently have. And if you want to change something, just click it. Click on this button here, and then just select the item that you want to change. For example, if you just want to change the font of this one here, click on it and then just ask AI to change. You can do it from here, or you can just go back to here. It's really simple, but also a pretty site isn't a business. Here's where it gets real. Here's what actually matters to a barber: bookings. I already included this in the prompt, but if you haven't done it, all you gotta do is to type it right here. Add a booking system. This is all you gotta do. So just have a look at this. First of all, let me be the customer. Click on book appointment here, then select a service. Let's go with the classic haircut. Then choose the barber. Let's just say with him. Then we select the date right here, select the time, enter information here, and then just click on confirm booking button, and it's gonna be done. Now let me be the owner. So here you can see how it looks through the admin section here. And then from here, there's the actual database. There's real bookings in a real back end that the owner can reschedule or block some of these times. And that's the thing. This isn't a pretty picture of a website. It's a working system with a real back end behind it. Most AI builders stop at the design. This one keeps going. And just think about what it's worth to a barber. He's not paying you for a website. He's paying you to stop losing customers who called while he was cutting hair, for example. That's what you're actually selling, not pixels, bookings. So let's go a bit further. Can this take money? Yes. All you gotta do is to click on this button. First of all, click on select to edit, then click on this button here, and then write this. So just lead to Stripe payment when a user clicks this button, and that's it. The site now takes deposits. For a business that gets no-shows constantly, that's a real money saved. You'll just have to connect Stripe here with this button here, and what's even more beautiful, customers can get emails, and all you gotta do is to configure your resend. Customers will receive a booking confirmed email notification. So yeah, Readdy connects the tools real businesses actually use, which means you're not handing a client a brochure, you're handing them a system that runs on its own. And of course, once you're ready, all you gotta do is to click here on the publish button right here. One click and it's gonna be live. And here's the part I want you to really hear. Hosting is free, no extra cost. You can publish on a free Readdy subdomain, or you can connect a custom domain, and if you're on annual plan, you get one domain free. That matters for your business, not just your clients. Normally, you'd pay hosting on every single client site. That eats your margin every month, but here, it doesn't exist. And this website is entirely yours, which means when a client wants a change, for example, new prices, new hours, or a holiday promo, you just edit it, you hit publish, and it updates instantly. And of course, you charge for that. That's a maintenance fee. That's recurring, semi-passive income from work that took you 10 minutes. And that's how a one-time project becomes a client who pays you every month. Now, the site's live, but a live site nobody finds is useless. So here's what closes the loop. SEO first. You can click here and then just click on site settings here. And then here you can generate all that needs to be generated with AI. Now, of course, we all know how social media is important. Luckily, there's a button for this as well, social media button. What I love about this is that this doesn't spit out the same generic post for every platform. It tailors the copy, the hashtags, and the visuals for Instagram versus Facebook because they're different audiences that want different things. That's smart. So now you're not just the person for the website, you're the person who got them found. And that's worth more. And you can charge like it. And now the last piece, and this is what makes clients trust you. Whitelabel. You can deliver everything under your own brand, your logo, your domain, your platform. You can customize here everything you want. So here is where you add the logo. You can change it anytime. You can delete it. Here's the place for your favicon. Here's the place for your brand name, the website title, and this here is how it's going to look to a client once he clicks on that email. To add your clients, just head over here to this button, Clients, and then from here, just click on this button, Add Client. When you click on it, all you gotta do is to fill in this information here, everything about your client, and of course the most important part is gonna be the email. As you can see, now I have one client here. I can just click here on these three buttons, click on Sites and Permissions. And then from here, what's gonna happen is I can add the site to this client. Just click here, then let's choose our barbershop here. And here you can see all the permissions. All you gotta do from here is to click on Save and Continue. And now you can just send the invitation email with this button here. When you send this invitation email, this is how it's gonna look like from client's perspective. So this is the email that they're gonna get. All they gotta do now is to click on the login URL and the site will open. All they gotta do from here is to sign in. They will enter their email address in this box. I use my email in this case, click on Continue button, and then they will get a verification code. The client will copy the code, paste it in here, and they're gonna be signed in. They're gonna have their websites here. You gave them the permissions to, and then they will see the site from here and they can operate it from here. Also, you can make your custom domain here and of course the custom email here, and here you can change the email subject, who it's from, and all the related stuff to your email. This is really good because Whitelabel allows you to not mention Readdy anywhere. This is going to be your brand, and this is going to build you some credibility. Because now you're not just a person with an AI subscription, you're an agency, and people will feel safer paying you properly. And of course, probably the most important part right now. This is how you can charge for the website building work through Readdy. This year, client billing, payments. There's no need to switch platforms or tools to handle payments. You can set up your payment gateway and then just create payment requests like this. Or you can add your products or services. And all you gotta do is to connect Stripe, for example. So almost every step your business needs can be handled right within Readdy, which is very convenient. Now let me do the honest math with you. Readdy's 40% off on annual right now. The lowest plan with Whitelabel works out to $119 a month if you stack my code on top, and it's an effective 52% off. Now the return. 5 clients a month at $200 a site, that's $1,000. And that's just the build. Every time a client wants a change, new menu, new hours, whatever, you get paid for that too, at your rates. My 20% discount code will only work on 1-year plans. It cannot be stacked with 2-year or 3-year plans. But honestly, the most cost-effective option is the 1-year plan. And what's really good about this is that when you choose the annual plan, your credits for the entire year are added to your account all at once. Unlike many other tools, any unused credits won't expire at the end of the month. You can roll them over and use them whenever you need, making the annual plan an even better value. But of course, if you just want to give it a try, go with these here. If you just want to start small and test the waters, you can also choose Starter Plan at $15 a month or the Pro Plan at $24. To wrap things up, we've just walked through a complete workflow using Claude and Readdy together, finding local prospects, quickly building fully customized websites tailored to their needs, delivering them under your own brand on your own platform, and managing client billing and payments all in one place. At the end of the day, you no longer have to juggle 5 or 6 different tools because virtually everything you need to run a web design business is right here. That's precisely what I love most about Readdy. The link is going to be in the description. Start for free. Use the free credits, build a site, see it yourself before you pay anything. And here's that coupon code, 20% off, works on all plans. It's limited to first 100 users, but the same user can reuse the discount code. Just stack it with the annual plan for 52% off in total. And go look up one business in your town with a bad website today. Just build them a site today. That's your first client.